Let's be real. Creating a digital product is half the battle. If you want real income, you need a system that sells for you on autopilot. In this video, I show you how to build a 5-step funnel that works while you sleep. Turn your freebie into paying customers and stop relying on constant posting on social media just to make sales. No tech overwhelm, no constant social media, just a clear, focused system that actually works. Part 1. What is a funnel? Okay, first things first. A funnel isn't just a marketing thingy. Think of it like this. It's the journey you guide your audience through, from stranger to buyer. And the best funnels do 3 things. They build trust, they give value, and they offer help at exactly the right time. Without a funnel, you're constantly starting from scratch. With the right funnel, your business grows, even when you're offline or at the playground with your kids, like I was. So let's break it down, step by step. Part 2, the 5 funnel steps. Step 1, your freebie. Your freebie could be an entry point. It's a quick win that solves a specific problem for your ideal customer. Here are some examples. A content calendar for yoga teachers. 10 Canva prompts for VAs. Checklist, start with breathwork. You see, make it useful, fast to consume, and directly related to your following paid offer. Step 2, the opt-in page. You will need a form with a strong headline, some bullet points what you get, and an entry to your email list. You can use tools like ConvertKit or System.io. Now the audience is giving you the email address and the journey begins. Step 3, the delivery, email and mini nurture. After they grab your freebie, don't say just thanks and leave them. Use a warm welcome sequence via email. Email 1 could be your freebie plus your story. Email 2, a value tip or quick win. Email 3 would be the bridge to your next paid offer. You can even pre-sale your product before they check it out. You still have 6 days to come. Step 4, the offer page. Now it's time to sell, but keep it human. Structure it like this. You are here because you want to gain money with digital products and make passive income. This will help you overcoming the problem. For example, starting your online business from zero. Here's what you get. Buy now and start today. Grab the hand of your customer audience and help them from A to B. Step 5. Automated follow-up. Most people won't buy right away, and that's totally fine. Set up a follow-up sequence. Start blogging or making videos on YouTube and share this value to your audience. Share some social proof via email. And the one thing I want to give you is scarcity, like expiring bonuses or limited spots. This always helps for launching product. That's how you make consistent passive sales without chasing anyone. Once it's built, it's always the same. To be clear, when I first started 2011, I had no clue of a funnel. I just posted and posted. I created more content and burned out. Then I started building my 5-step funnel with a freebie, good storytelling emails and 1 offer. And honestly, then everything changed. My email marketing became my most successful tool to sell products. I made sales while making a trip with my daughter, flying to Spain, or literally sleeping. Today, my funnel sells my online courses and my workshops automatically. It's not magic, it's a system that works. You don't need to hustle forever. You just need a funnel that works while you don't. So let's build it. If you want me help setting up a funnel, please grab my book, The Mini Course Method, right now under this video. And now watch my next video with more strategies how to build a successful online business. I see you there.